To connect a controller with Nintendo Switch 2, first, if you want to connect the Joy-Cons that are being put on the rail right here, all you have to do is basically put them in. So it should go like this, just insert them into the slot, and now they will be connected with your console. You can then remove them and use them wirelessly. Then when it comes to the controllers like this one, first of all, you will need to grab a USB cable. It comes with the controller as well. I'm just using a different one. So connect the USB port to your dock station, and it's right here, so we just need to plug it in. Then we need to connect the other end USB-C to our controller. So now when it's connected, as you can see right here, we need to grab our console and then slide it into the dock station. And now when it's connected, our console should get a signal from the controller, and you'll be able to use it afterwards also wirelessly. Also make sure to connect the dock to your TV if this doesn't work, because sometimes it happens. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.